I want to say that I've actually been using this backpack for a few months, but I haven't been because my wife has been stealing it. So I'm going to show you how she has actually been using this tactical looking backpack for her work. She is a nurse, and so she has her lunch in here, and she always carries her MacBook in here, so there's plenty of room. As a matter of fact, you can even put it in a sleeve, and this is a 13-inch MacBook in case you're wondering, and that fits just inside the inner pocket, typically where you put like a camelback or a water bladder. And this particular backpack I would not actually recommend for day hikes, but more so just around town, even though the actual arm straps are padded and they do have this wicking away moisture material there, as well as on the back. But the main thing that I like about this, and call me crazy, but it's actually light colored on the inside. You won't believe how many times I have got some kind of carry-on backpack and I've gone traveling all around the world, 37 different countries. And here my little hipster self is on an airplane trying to squint and find something in the dim low light of the airplane, trying to find a little earplug or the AirPods that have dropped out in the bottom of the backpack. And I'm looking at it and I'm trying to find it and I can't find it because the interior is black and everything blends in on the inside. As opposed to, just a moment, let me remove some HIPAA paperwork right there so you can't see any patient identifying information. Look at that. I can open that up and it's light colored on the inside. You can actually see the bottom of it if in fact you were looking for that little rogue earplug or the little crumb from your granola bar that you're trying to retrieve. You can actually find everything in here. Look at that. Look, Spanish memorization cards. This thing is huge. Yes, you could use it as an actual day pack going out as a bug out bag because it's very comfortable. It's very, very thick material. I would say that this is water resistant. I wouldn't say waterproof. So, obviously over time, if you were to throw this in a river, it will soak through. So I can't use the word waterproof. But yeah, if you are caught in a downpour, it will keep everything dry for the time being, unless you're out all day long hiking with it, which is why I wouldn't necessarily recommend it as an actual day pack. Unless, of course, you have a pack rain cover, which I always have with me. But anyway, very fun, very nice. I really like this backpack. It's really super high quality, very surprised. And I'm gonna have to go buy another one so that my wife can actually have this.